Hey you guys, welcome back for another gardening video. So I am recording this intro here at my house because it was just way too windy for me to record it over at the shop while we were doing our corn. So we have had the hardest time this season growing corn. We had no issues last year. We live in Illinois and like the whole state is nothing but corn and soybeans. We had really good soil. So I don't know if we had issues with our seeds that we had from last year or what. I have no idea, but we were using the seed allure corn, and so we're switching it out and doing extra tender seeds for corn now. But we tried several weeks ago. We planted about 6 to 9 rows of corn, and it was watered and fertilized and all of the things, and basically none of it germinated. So we've been having a hard time, but you know what? We're giving it another go. This video was recorded the beginning of the second week of June, so it's getting a little late in the season, but we had a really cold and wet spring. So again, I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but I am going to switch over to the recording that I did here the other day and explain the process of us getting this corn redone, and hopefully we will get some type of yield. I don't even care if it's small, but the kids and I and the whole family, we just love corn, so we are just giving it another go. So my husband is re-power raking the area that we already had our corn planted that never grew. So what he decided to do was to put a lot more compost down onto the soil to make it richer. And it was great soil to begin with, so we weren't really sure. But we're putting more compost down here with the Bobcat and power raking it in. Hopefully that will help. We don't want to give up on our corn just yet. I am going to be planting our seeds with just a pocket full of kernels, and I use this PVC pipe with the little taped on, I don't know, I think it's like 6 to 8 inches as my measuring thing at the bottom of my pole. And this is how we plant our corn. It's very primitive, but you know what? It gets the job done. And my husband has this hand plow. He goes right, my kernels are right in the middle, and that plow just covers up the seeds so well. Seriously, we got this done in like, I don't know, 30 minutes or less. We planted 6 rows of corn, and hopefully we will have a yield. We just didn't want to give up, even though it's the second week in June when we were planting this. We still feel that we will get something out of it. So we're going to add a little bit more fertilizer to the soil, or right on top of the seeds before we bury them, and just really hope that we get some corn this year. We're just not willing to give up just yet. But I hope you guys continue gardening, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.